Congratulations to myself once again. I'm so happy about this update. Okay, so let's get in. My name still remains Tech. It's all about how to make money online, and this is not a small money making. Okay, it can change your life, and it can bring out an update, and your life will be changed. Okay, so it's all about Verse Network, and Verse Network was created by a Verse Corp, a sustainable and transparent platform for Forex copy trading with a team of professional traders. Please take note, this is not a scam. Not to waste time, let's jump into it right here. Okay, let's move. Okay, so guys, here we are going to pass through the process of registration. Okay, so firstly, you are going to write your full name down, and then you select your country, and then the third one is your email, your username, your password. So let's start here, not to waste time. Okay, so full name. So my full name is going to be here. Okay, so I'm going to choose Kofi. Okay, then that's Kofi Yeboah. So I put in my full name, and then the second one here is select your country. Okay, so you are going to select your country wherever you found yourself. You select where you are from. So I'm from Ghana. Okay, so I'm going to select Ghana. That doesn't mean if you are found in Nigeria, please select Nigeria. If you are found in South Africa, please select South Africa. If you are found in US, please select USA. Okay, then you put in an active email account. Okay, so this email will help you any notification or any message that's going on, they'll be sending you, and you'll be having message with you through this email. So make sure your email that is active and available that you are using as a personal email. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, then you put it there. Okay, so let's put in our email. Okay, so our email too is in. So after putting your email, then you put the username. The username means that a name that will be used on your profile, on your account. Okay, so let's put K. I just like to choose K. Okay, something simple for you to get more understanding. Here you are going to create a password by yourself. This password is what you'll be requested when you log out and you want to log in back again. This is the password you'll be using. It's just like logging out from your phone and then logging in back once again. So let's put in our password, and password must be strong. Okay, so let me put in my password. Sorry. So I've put in my password. The password must be very strong. When it is strong, you can see the red, yellow, green color is in. That means it's very good. Okay, then you reconfirm it again for you to know. They just want you to know if you are able to remember it once again. Okay, so you you write again what you just wrote. Firstly, you write it again. Okay, so here I'm going to put in a valid pin. Okay, that pin is a 4-digit pin, and this pin is just like a bank account pin that you use to withdraw money if you don't normally use the bank. Okay, just a 4 pin that you always remember. So when creating account, make sure you put this code this short pin aside, which is very special. It's very special. So we are going to put in something simple. So, and make sure it is 4 digits. So what they said, pin doesn't match. Okay, so you put in root the first place, you are going to write the same thing. So now we can now click on register. Okay, so after registration, registered successfully. Okay, so after registration, it will just come something like this. It will come like this, and then you enter the email that you just used. So let's put in the email you connected to the account, to the Verse account. Okay, then you put in your password that you just created. Okay, so after putting in your password, this is very simple. Then you log in. Okay, you click on the wallet here, then you log in straightly. So here we are, and as you can see, we are in here. Okay, this is $0. Okay, so we are in here, and if you are able to activate it, which is $100, which is $50, you are going to have your referral link. Okay, this referral link will help you to refer others to earn from it. Okay, if you want more information about this, you are going to click on the Telegram group channel. Okay, or any video to learn about what the verse is about and stuff, you can click on the YouTube channel, and I'll also be bringing you more information right here for you to be okay with this. Okay, and it's not a scam, it's very legit. So right here, when you click on the top right corner, we have the wallet here. The wallet here, when you can check the down of it, we have deposit, and then we have withdraw. Okay, and transfer. Wow, let's go back, and we have license. These are the packages they are having. Now you can invest into and gain. We are on fire. We are on fire. We are on fire. Africa, we must do something. Okay, so training package also is here. We have a lot stock in here. Okay, so what you invest, that's what you earn out. But most of the time, when you try to refer more people, you earn from it. Okay, so we have the direct bonus. Okay, so right here I'm going to log out to give you more tutorials from this is a new account I just created. So let me try to log out, and then so here I'm going to sign in my account for you to get more understanding. So let me just put you through my own account, which will tell you that I'm not lying and I'm not joking. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is the key account, and this account is active. So far I just started, so far I've made $12, and you can see I have activated my so I have the sign up and then the share link here. So make sure you activate for you to, and the first deposit is $50, and next video I'll be bringing you how to deposit on Verse network. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye for now. Like and share and comment.